classic sports car. Today we're delighted to offer you a superb low mileage 911. Okay, this is a 2004 997 series 3.6 manual coupe, finished in probably the best combination of guards red with stone grey leather upholstery. One owner until September last year, only being changed now by the second owner just due to the love of a 1960s Mini which we happen to have for sale. We've taken it part exchange. Full service history, serviced less than 500 miles ago with new belts and spark plugs, and the major service costing over £1,000. The condition on the car is it's hard to describe, but it's better than new. So the PPF film to the front, all the wheels, brakes, everything look like new. There's not a blemish on the car. It's had no paint work, and the paintwork absolutely gleams. It's of the highest quality. I would guess there's not a nicer early 997 available. Most of the cars have had loads of paintwork. They need paintwork on these back sill areas and the wheel arches, and behind the back wheels there, these big back wheels, chuck a load of stones up. This car's got none of that. It's like buying a brand new car. It just needs a private number plate, which it's got at the moment, which is coming off the car. So it's a base car with the exception of factory fitted electric slide and tilt sunroof and graduated tint windscreen. So no navigation, although it'd be out of date now anyway, although the big screen's still there. Other than that, everything that comes standard is standard. Tyres were changed about 4,000 miles ago. The car's just done over 7,000 now. Tyres were changed just due to the age of them. They're the correct speed rating Porsche tyres. The full service history that comes with the car is very detailed and shows every bit of expenditure the car's had. Who doesn't like a red 911? Inside the car, we've got this stone grey upholstery with suede grey headlining. See the sunroof there. Grey dashboard with silver stitching. Just take you around the car, just see how nice this car is. It's like buying a brand new car. Down the door shuts there. Entry cells, steering wheel, dashboard and everything all as new. There you'll see the mileage, which is 7069 as we stand. There's the big screen and the climate control and the all important 6-speed manual transmission. The rear has never been sat in by lots of things. It's got overmats as there is at the front. This is driver's foot pedals and the overmat looking as new. Carpets underneath are as new. Right, so this stone grey perforated leather upholstery. This is the driver's side, which you'd expect to have some wear. This is the driver's bolsters, and there's no wear at all. It really is as close to a new car as you can wish for. Okay, we've got all the keys are with the car. There's 2 keys in the valet key in the engine compartment. Again, doesn't look like it's seen any bad weather. I'm sure it hasn't. And finally, we'll go to the front. In the luggage compartment, we've got the tools and spare wheel bolts. And if you look at the detail up on the inner wings there, up onto the wipers, and coming down the driver's side. Everything as good as new. It's difficult to show you how good the paintwork is on this car, but I can assure you it must be the best one out there of this age. So if you are interested, please give us a call. We'll continue the video and take you down the road in the car in a short while. But if you are interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website walsideclassics.co.uk for a video and some high resolution photos of the car. Thank you. Okay, we'll just take you for a buzz down the road in this beautiful low mileage Porsche 911. It's a 997 series, 325 brake horsepower. It's a manual gearbox, just over 7,000 miles from new with full service history. Obviously steering dead straight ahead. The steering wheel feels, while the rest of the car like new. Really is untouched, this car. There's no creaks or rattles. Nice stone grey upholstery with factory sunroof. Porsches are more desirable than Tiptronics at this age. This car, with this mileage and history and condition, is certainly collector grade. Just feels like a new car. With the car, it's quite a nice history file with all the invoices for servicing. There's correspondence from the original Coupe and Porsche. There's original road tests, original bill of sale. It's everything that you would wish for. Handling's good, probably handles nicer on these 18-inch wheels than the bigger versions. Changed, obviously it's only doing 7,000 miles, tyres have changed to 4,000 miles due to age, so it's just ready to go. It's had a major service and paint protection applied recently to a cost of over £3,000. Obviously the bill is available for the work. Yeah, superb. Everyone loves a red 911, so this one is one of the best out there, if not the best for the age. Please give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website for this video and loads of photos, which is www.walsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks again. Okay, with the Porsche 911 we have here, as you would expect, everything's available with the car, locking wheel bolts, spare keys and everything, full book pack with a service book showing 6, 7, 8 services. Also the plate fluids have been changed as well 6 times, so that's all with it as well. We've got some auto car road tests of the vehicle back to 2004. We've also got the V5. We've got service invoices here, so we've got 2006, 2008, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2015, so new tyres in 2015, battery, and back to 2017, 2019. We've also got the original correspondence from the original dealer in Porsche, before and after sale, old price list there, when the car was introduced in May 2004. The original order form, so guards red with stone grey with electric sunroof and top tint screen. Deposits paid, which really shouldn't be in there. on the vehicle invoice. Now there's also some correspondence between Porsche and the original dealer in the Isle of Man, because Porsche withdrew the dealership on the Isle of Man, so he was disappointed that he had to go to Liverpool to get it serviced. Small MOTs there, and also the latest service invoice, September 2021, where it's a big service, just over £1,000, drive belt, spark plugs, oils obviously, and also a bill for over £2,000 for ceramic coating and PPF covers the front end. So all in all, a very nice history file for such a young car, but it's a beautiful car, and I'm sure it's going to make someone very happy. So if you're interested, give us a call, 01507 606 725, or the website is wallsideclassics.co.uk.